Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you guys are doing alright, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use Cakewalk by Bandlab, so let's get right into it. Cakewalk is pretty much a free sort of digital audio workshop, similar to FL Studio and so on and so forth, through which you can record and modify any audio of your choosing. Now, as you can see, I have entered the app, and now I can start working with it as much as I would like. Let's say I wanted to import any sort of sound. Here to the right you can see audio effects, but if I wanted to do anything, you can do the keyboard. Here you can record a pretty much song of your own by actually recording it here. Let me just record it quickly. Here you can do recording to record your own microphone pretty much. Here you can use the metronome, and you have a lot of different options which you can use. You do need to set something up, however, pretty much mostly here, as you can see, I'm now recording my voice by clicking here on the recording icon, and that is pretty much how you record in this program. You can do a lot of things. You can set up the gain for the channels, you can import sounds, you can add effects from this here tab by going into plugins and going into audio effects, and here you can find reverb, pitch shift, and so on and so forth, and there is a lot of different options. And that is pretty much some basics that I wanted to show you guys. It is much more complicated, so you'll need to study it a lot to know how to use it perfectly, but that is pretty much it from me. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you in another video.